Are you struggling to create a verified PayPal account in your country? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through every step to get your PayPal account up and running from anywhere in the world. Let's get started. What's up, geniuses? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a verified PayPal account with your smartphone that will allow you send payments and receive payments without any restriction. But before I get started, if this is your first time on this channel, my name is Favor. I'm an online income coach and a crypto trader. I coach people on how to make money online with their smartphone through various platforms on this channel. If you're interested in learning more, then kindly give this video a like, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates I share on this channel. Thank you. To create a verified PayPal account, there are some requirements you need to set in place before going into the sign up process. These requirements include 1. A clean browser. You need a clean browser to create a new PayPal account, and the browser we're going to be using to create this PayPal account is Chrome browser. If you don't have Chrome browser on your device, you can go ahead and install Chrome browser. But if you have Chrome browser on your device and you have been using the Chrome browser, what you need to do is just clear the cookie and the cache of the browser to make the browser new again. And to do that, just head over to your settings of your phone, apps and notification, and see all apps and look for Chrome browser and select Chrome. Then select storage, clear cache and clear storage. With that done, that's how to set to clear your Chrome browser and to make it brand new. Next thing you need is your Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, you can go ahead and create a Gmail account. But if you have a Gmail account, you can use that Gmail to create a verified PayPal account. But take note, if you have used your current Gmail to create a PayPal account that have been flagged by PayPal before, you can't use that Gmail to create another account on PayPal, as PayPal is still going to flag the new account you are trying to create. So for you to be safe, create a fresh Gmail whenever you want to create a new PayPal account. But three things you need is your valid ID. Whether it's your national ID, your international passport, or your driving license, whichever one you have, you can make use of them. Number 4, you need your valid Argentina address and a valid phone number. Don't worry, I'll show you how to get your valid address and your valid phone number. And number 5, you need your local number, which is your country phone number. If you have all these requirements down, then you are all set to create a verified PayPal account. Now let me show you how to get a valid Argentina address and a valid Argentina phone number. Open your Chrome browser and go to the search bar and search for fakezi.com. Allow it to load. Now we are on fakezi.com. On fakezi.com, locate the area that says all country and select. You can see we have a list of countries here, but our main focus is Argentina. Look for Argentina and select Argentina. Now we have selected Argentina, and as you can see, this site have given us an Argentina address that we can use to set up our PayPal account. But before we conclude that this address is the address you can use to create our PayPal account, we need to verify if this address is valid and a live address of the Argentina. And to do that, all you need to do is just to validate this address by using Google Maps. So to validate this address, I'll just copy the first address which says streets, and you can see it's saying San Isidro. Copy. Then I go to Google Maps. You can use the Google Maps app on your phone if you have. If you don't have the Google Map apps on your phone, you can use the web version. There's a web version available for Google Maps. So I'll open my Google Maps now. Go to the search bar and paste that address I copied, and you can see we have according to the suggestion that Google Maps provided, you can see the first one says San Isidro. Buenos Aires province, Argentina. Let's go and confirm if it's the same with the address we have on the website. You can see on the website we have San Isidro and the province Buenos Aires. So this is a valid address, but next thing we need to do is to confirm the postal code too. So copy the postal code, go back to Google Maps and paste the postal code on the search bar, and you can see we got a suggestion again that says Buenos Aires province, Argentina, and the postal code is the same with the postal code we paste on the search bar. That means this address that we got now, that we have, that the site generated for us, is a valid address and a live address of the Argentina, and we can make use of that address. So this address is what I'll use to set up this PayPal account that I want to show you how to create. So take note of this. You can see on this particular area, you have an address and you have a phone number. Our only focus here is the address. We are not going to be using this phone number. I'll show you a site where you can get an Argentina phone number that we will use to create this PayPal account. So just get the address from this site only and keep it somewhere. So, and take note also, we are not going to be copying and pasting when we are signing up on PayPal, because copying and pasting is one of the things that PayPal detects and sometimes use to terminate many accounts. So to stay safe on PayPal, when you are creating an account, the best way is to just type in all your information word by word, letter by letter. So what you need to do is, when you get a valid address, just get a piece of paper and a pen and write down the information on that paper. Then you move to the next step. Now let's move to the next step, which is getting a valid Argentina phone number. So open a new tab and search for Argentina phone number generator. And search. When you search for Argentina phone number generator, you should find this best random tools. When you find this best random tools, select it. And you can see now we have many Argentina address on this site that it has provided for us that we can use to create a PayPal account. So we cannot just pick any number here without also validating that this number is a live and a valid number. So I'm going to pick one number out of all these numbers that this site have generated and go to another site to validate if this number is a real and a valid number of the Argentina and it's a live number. So I'll pick this particular one, the last one, copy it. I'll copy it, then open another tab and search for cripscall.com. Crips, ISP, call.com. Allow it to load, and now we are on cripscall.com. So what you need to do is, at the top right corner you can see a tree line there. Select that tree line, then all this should appear. Then select free tools. When you select free tools, select phone number validator. Now once it loads up, this is what you will see. So how do we validate this number? To validate this number, where you see this US flag, change it to Argentina, then paste in the number you copied from that site and click on validate. If the number is valid, the site will show us that this number is valid. As you can see, this number we just picked from that site and test on this side if it's a valid phone number. The number is valid. Now this site has told us that this number is valid, so I'm going to use this number to create this PayPal account that I'm going to show you how to create now. So what I will do again is to carry this number and write it on that same piece of paper where I wrote my address. So now I'll just pause the video and write my address and my phone number down on my own paper here. Now I have copied my own address and my own phone number after validating those information. Now I now have those information now on a piece of paper right here with me. So now once you have validated and gotten all this information, you can close all the tabs. Then clear the cookie and cache of this browser. To clear the cookie, just go over to these three dots at the top right corner, select it, and you see delete browsing data. Select delete browsing data and click on delete data, and it's going to delete all of your data on Chrome browser. So now we are now ready to create our PayPal account. So I'll open Chrome again and search for paypal.com/AR. Now we are on PayPal. So what you need to do is just set translate. So Google Translate will automatically translate the web page for you so you can understand all the languages that have been set as Spanish here. So now that we have translated the language, what you need to do is just scroll down until you see register for free and select it. When you select register for free, select business account, register for free. Now let me translate so we can see what we are doing. Okay, now on this first place, you put in your first name. Make sure the name you are putting is your legal name, just the way it is on your national ID or any means of ID you have. So I have some information here that I'll have to put. So let me put in the name, Joan, and surname Martins. Then for the email, let me use a temp mail. I'll be using a temp mail because this is a tutorial. I already have a PayPal account, so I'll be using a temp mail to create this account. Then I'll paste my temp mail and set my password. Make sure the password you are setting is between 8 to 20 character, has an uppercase and at least one number or one symbol. Once you are done with this particular side, then you check this box and accept and create account. Click accept and create account. So now PayPal will send us a Gmail, a code to our email. So now what we need to do is just click on send code to our email and go over to my email here. You see I have received the code. Okay. And the code is 75437367. 754367. Then click on send. Allow it to load. So now let me translate so we understand what we are doing. So it says activate your account to start using PayPal. We will guide you on every step of the way. Enter your information about your company or organization. Share personal information. So click on begin. Now select individual or sole proprietorship. And on the type of company, select particular and click on following. Now on this phase, we need to fill in our informations. To fill our informations, you can see PayPal has automatically set our name and our surname. What we need to do now is to fix in our date of birth. So let me fix in my own date of birth here. 12 and 2000. Make sure the date of birth you are fixing is the date of birth that matches the ID that you have, whether it's your national ID, international passport, or your driving license. Make sure whatever details you are submitting to PayPal is corresponding and the same with your ID. On this area that says nationality, leave it as Argentina. Don't touch that area. Then on the phone number, type in the phone number we got from that side. 3454290020. Once you type in the phone number, move to the next step, which is setting your address. Now we need to fill in our address, the address that we have written on the piece of paper. Okay, the address you have written on the piece of paper is what you will fill in all these boxes here. So let me fill in my address, line 1, which is San Isidro, and my postal code, which is B1641, my city, which is Akasusu, ACCA, SSUSO, and the province, which is the state, Buenos Aires Provincia. Select province. Once I'm done filling these parts and this information on this page, I click on following. So now this page is telling us that we should tell us about our organization. So what you need to do is check this box that says just use my full name for now. Check it. Next, it says company registration number. Leave that box empty, skip that. And it says what do you sell or what service do you offer. Select digital services, digital goods. Now just type in DIG and digital goods will pop up. So select digital products, media, books, movie and music as our service, what we offer. Do you have a website? Select no. And what is your company business address? Use your residence address. Check this box, scroll and click on following. That's it. We have successfully created our PayPal accounts. Now click on go to main page. Now you can see we are on PayPal dashboard. If I scroll below, you see that this account has no red flag. This account is created clean and has no red flag. So, but now that we have successfully created our PayPal account, we need to make two very important quick settings on the account. One, which is changing our nationality from Argentina to Nigeria and changing the Argentina number to our local number. And to do this quick, navigate to this three line that you see on the top right corner of your screen and select it. Go to account settings. Go to company information and click on this first one that says updated. Click on the updated. Once it loads up, scroll until you get to the last option that says main contact details and click on edit. Now click on the nationality that says Argentina and look for Nigeria and select it. Now that I've selected Nigeria, what I need to do is just put in my NIN or my international passport number or my driving license number in any of these boxes. So whichever one you have, you can fill in the data. If it's your international passport, you fill it on the second box. If it's your driving license, you fill it on the third box. Once I'm done filling in my national ID number, I'll just scroll and click on keep. And you can see my information has been updated. You can see nationality Nigeria, and I have my national identity number also available. So there's another quick setting that we need to do, which is changing our Argentina number to our local number. To do this, go back to account settings. Account holder information. Scroll until you find phone, then select updated. Now what you need to do is add a new one. Click on add a new one. Then phone type, you select mobile. Country code, you change it to Nigeria or whatever your country code is. So I'll just look for Nigeria and select Nigeria here. Now, and I'll type in my local number, which is my Nigeria number, on this box. And I'll click make this my main number and click on add number. Something is not right, please try again later. Click on add number again. Something is not right. Okay, uncheck it. Let's uncheck it and click on add number again. Something is not right. Try again later. Okay, remove the first 0. Click on this my new number and add. Okay, what you do is to remove the first 0 when you are putting your number and click on add. So once you have added the number, then go ahead to eliminate the Argentina number you added. Click on eliminate and it has been removed successfully. So you see, we have successfully created our PayPal account and we have changed our nationality from Argentina to Nigeria, and also changed our Argentina number that we generated back to our local phone number. So this way our PayPal account is safe. If PayPal asks us now to verify, we already have our details submitted to them already, and if maybe something comes up, they want us to verify our phone number, our phone number is already set on PayPal already. So That's all about how to create a verified PayPal account. I believe you got value from this video. If you do, kindly give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with anyone who has been struggling to create a verified PayPal account. So thank you for watching and see you on the next one.